Greetings to all Trendo users. In this tutorial, we're going to walk through how to withdraw cryptocurrency from your trading account on Trendo. If you have previously funded your account with cryptocurrency, you can now easily make withdrawals in the same way. First, log in to your account on the Trendo platform. From the menu on the right, pick the account you want to withdraw from, for example, REA account 2. Now tap on the withdrawal option. Here, we carefully choose our desired cryptocurrency and transfer network. Please note, you can only withdraw using the same crypto you use for your deposit. For example, if you deposited Tether via the BEP20 network, you can only withdraw Tether, although you can pick a different network. If you've deposited using different cryptocurrencies, your withdrawals need to match those amounts and currencies. This match is verified by the Trendo financial team. After choosing the cryptocurrency and the network, enter the amount you want to withdraw. The minimum withdrawal is $10 or its equivalent in your account-based currency. Now, carefully enter your crypto wallet address. Make sure the address matches the currency and the network you picked exactly. Now hit save and then withdrawal. Once you submit your request, a confirmation code will be sent to your email. Enter the code to finalize your withdrawal. When you confirm the transaction, your transfer will go through instantly and your withdrawal status will change to successful. To track your withdrawal, you can go to the withdrawal history section and see details like the TX ID or transaction hash and copy it if needed. Notes: always double check your wallet address before submitting your withdrawal. Withdrawals on Trendo are processed instantly and systematically, so any mistake in your address can result in lost funds. You're fully responsible for entering the correct address. You can only withdraw cryptocurrency if your initial deposit was also made with crypto. The Trendo financial team checks that the currency and the network match up. You must complete identity verification to withdraw. If you haven't done this yet, please finish the process in your user manual first. Trendo doesn't change any fees for withdrawals, but keep in mind that blockchain network fees may apply depending on the currency and network traffic, and this is beyond Trendo's control. Using this method, you can make cryptocurrency withdrawals quickly, accurately, and securely. If you have any questions, Trendo's 24/7 support team is available to help. Wishing you profitable trades.